Are you looking for a maintenance management solution for your buildings? Are you a property manager, retail operator, hotel or restaurant owner, or a maintenance service provider? Discover Dimo Maint FM, our 100% cloud-based, intuitive, and user-friendly facility management software. Dimo Maint FM provides you with an overall insight to the maintenance activities of your sites through a simple-to-use interface. Centralize your data and access key information anytime. Job history, preventive maintenance plans, documents, contacts, GPS coordinates, as well as access and safety instructions. Our advanced scheduling tool helps you manage and schedule regulatory compliance, easily handle job requests, assign internal engineers, request a quote, or send jobs to subcontractor, track the progress of jobs, and ensure compliance of your installations. Enhance field reporting for technicians and requesters with QR codes, photo capture, and voice-to-text comments available in our mobile app. Easily create your own forms, inspections, checklists, risk assessments, meter readings, satisfaction surveys, and more. The power of Dimo Maint FM also lies in its customizable dashboards, allowing you to efficiently manage the maintenance of your assets, along with standard analytics and KPIs to track costs. What more could you ask for? Dimo Maint supports you wherever you are in the world. Join thousands of satisfied customers who trust Dimo Maint for optimized facility management.